morning. We are here with Designspeaking during Milan Design Week at Brera District. I'm here with Jan-Simon Veicht. Jan-Simon, how are you doing?
I'm pretty fine, thank you.
Great. So I know you're doing this exhibition here at the Berlin corner, that you're presenting two products. What about it?
Yeah, well, first of all, I want to thank you to this great opportunity here. I feel very blessed to express my designs here in this very nice environment. And yeah, it's for me the first products in furniture design I made, because I'm coming from a fashion background, and during the last years I was working in fashion mainly as a freelancer. And my designs here are the first types in furniture, and I'm just, as I said, very quite blessed.
That's great. And what about the fashion? I mean, were you more like as a designer, fashion stylist,
Yes,
or?
definitely. I was working as a freelancer in the German fashion industry mainly. It was leather industry and accessories for various brands.
Well, that's great. In my opinion, I mean, fashion and design are really similar. I mean, they have the same trends. What do you think about it? I mean, are you using some things that you have worked on it? I mean, in fashion industry, also in the design industry?
Yes, I think so. Basically, in my opinion, it's two worlds, some kind of, but they have very much in common. And as you said, the trends, they really help me to create some new products and to think about products more and more, because my products here are based on natural things which I discovered in my environment. And I think this is kind of a trend right now, as you can see here in Milan everywhere.
Definitely, definitely. So tell me more about it. I mean, you have like one more small table, high table. It looks like a better cathedral, in my opinion.
I know for you it's very architectural, but the nature is also architecture. So the table you are talking about is inspired by a bird's nest, which is high in the tree, holding by branches, and I really wanted to show some lightness in the work with wood, because it's mainly often very heavy, and here I just try to express a very light feeling to the product as itself.
Great. And what about the news rack?
The news rack was or is some kind of a symbol more to our books and the approach to read in books and magazines, because I think today we're going all around with our smartphones, with the e-readers, and some of us just forgot how to read actually with those brilliant books. And my news rack is kind of a symbol to not forgetting that.
So like back to the old times, right?
Absolutely. Just be classic in this style.
Definitely, I can understand. Like, I love when I smell the old books paper. I don't know if it's the same thing for you.
You don't have these feelings when you just pop out your book on a tablet or something.
Definitely not. So you're using the nature, you're using this old times, I mean, way of living. And what about the materials?
Yeah, the materials are quite modern. It's smoked glass. Mm-hmm. And iron sheets, very, very thin.
Okay. And how did you learn to work them? Because they are totally different of the materials that you were using before in fashion.
Well, I dropped out of my fashion background, yeah, because I really wanted to do furniture, and so I went to Berlin because I wanted to relocate and make a second degree, and then I started to study product design. I think that's the best way to get into the world.
Definitely, definitely. Well, Jan, thank you very much for your help. Thank you very much for your time, and good luck.
Thank you.